Welcome to this radiant home on Rosewood. It is refined, it's relaxing, and it is ready for you. Let's take a quick look inside.
Discover this meticulously reimagined 3-bedroom, 1-bath home, recently renovated from the studs up for modern living. Step inside to an open concept floor plan featuring gleaming newer floors and flawless finishes that showcase an incredible attention to detail. The gourmet kitchen is a showstopper, equipped with custom soft close cabinetry, high-end stainless steel appliances, and a stylish tile backsplash. 3 bedrooms provide a quiet retreat, complemented by a fully updated bathroom boasting a luxurious custom tiled shower and chic modern fixtures. This turnkey property offers a like-new living experience where every detail has been perfected.
Thanks for checking out this rare find on Rosewood. If you're ready to make a move, reach out. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.